Hi, this is Kaya. How do you get on the shows, all the good shows and all the good movies? Can you give me a call or a text? I have a baby sister. I have swimming some days, but can you call me or text me or leave a message when you say I can get on TV? And just let me know what I can get on TV, okay? Leave me a message. This is Kaya, and my number is 6678991010 This is Kaya. Bye, yeah. I'm gonna leave, okay? Bye.
Go-getter mentality. A go-getter is an aggressively enterprising person, someone who is assertive in making their purpose in life mission happen. As you saw in that clip of the adorable little girl, she was assertive in her mission to get on television. But not just that, she was intentional on the types of shows and movies she wants to play in. She said, "How do you get on all the good shows and the good movies? Not the C-level movies straight to Netflix, but the ones high in demand and audience allure." Why is this detail of wordplay important? It's important because a huge part of being assertive and going for what you desire in life is being intentionally specific. Interesting fact about this girl is that at her age, which I'm assuming is between 2 and 4, she is in a theta stage of human mental growth. This is the age of 0 months to 7 years old. During these years, we spend most of our time in alpha and theta brainwave cycles, which is the same state that a person is in when they are in hypnosis or meditation. So imagine a little child walking around in a permanent state of hypnosis, being programmed by the environment open to suggestion in a super learning state. Within these years, we take on beliefs about ourselves in life, and the majority of what we pick up will remain unconscious throughout the rest of our lives and manifest themselves in our behaviors, our achievements, our goals, our choice of partner and homies. This is when a subconscious mind is set into motion. We will spend our entire lives with an acceptance or resistance to what has been impressed upon the foundation of our subconscious. This goes to show that a go-getter isn't born, they are formed. And the only way to overcome the negative impressions within your subconscious is continued assertive nature toward the things most desired by you. The go-getter, the grinder, the hustler, the move maker that strongly desires to propel in their passion. Blessings.